Hello everybody, and today we are going to be playing Car Crushers 2. And I have this car. Alright. So I have all these, I don't remember what they're called. Okay. Let's just do a sample one, let's see. Let's do the boulder drop, that sounds like fun. Just gotta line this up. Alright, I got the car in the thing. And now we just gotta activate it. Alright, it's enabled the conveyor. And we're just going to, okay. We're just going to drop the boulders. And then basically it gives me more money to buy more vehicles. Yeah, let's say it's pretty destroyed. We can drop even more boulders. But yeah, the car's literally just evaporated into nothing. Oh! Alright, we're back, but this time we're not going for the crushers. Wait, it's like snowing outside. We're just gonna hit that ramp as fast as possible. Okay, well that did some damage. Barely. Yeah, that's fine, we got this ramp. Not a bad landing, honestly. Alright, so we're gonna try and get the momentum from this to go up that ramp. See if it works, okay. Just gonna need to turn around. Oh, I unlocked a new vehicle. Woo! Oh, that definitely did some damage. Oof. Okay, we're just gonna go as fast as possible and see if I run into anything. But why am I slowing down? I'm smashing the W key and I'm slowing down. I'm gonna hit that tree. But why am I so slow? I don't know why it made me slow down. Our car might be doomed. But that's okay, that's what we want. Ooh. Wait, does this thing never break? Wait. Oh! As I said that. Okay, I discovered that there is a giant volcano, so we're gonna go for that. It may take a while, so I'll see you guys there. I made it to the volcano, except I absolutely destroyed the front of my car. But that's fine. Why is my car slowing down again? Okay, there we go. Let's go up this green ramp. Ooh, not a bad landing. Okay, wait, let's try and get that orange ramp. But I'm gonna need some load up, so let's go back here. Alright, we're gonna go right for the ramp right here. That looks like a Hot Wheels track. Okay. See if we make it up. Oh no, we're losing the power. Oh no! Oh. I lost a wheel. I'm trapped. Flip it. Oh, I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm definitely stuck. Okay, wait, why did it spawn me in a tunnel? Wait, how do I get out of here? One moment. I don't know what happened, but I'm about to hit this like a ramp. Oh, that was kind of lame. Oh, not again. Oh. Okay, I found a runway, and let's just see how fast I can go. Alright. 100 kilometers per hour. 150. 160. 170. 180. Oh, looks like 187 is the max. Wait, I made it back. Okay, let's try and hit one of these ramps while I'm still super fast. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay, it came back and the engine's smoking, but I think it's still drivable. Yo, it still drives. Okay, let's try and hit the volcano again. Going up very slowly, but I'm gonna make it. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it! Oh, just rolling down the hill. I'm stuck. Oh, that's some damage. But it still drives somehow. Okay, wait. Let's go up this ramp. Oh! Yo! Saved it. Saved it. Let's go. Okay, let's try that ramp. Okay. Oh, well, I guess we're trying this ramp. Oh, that's pretty bad. Well, I think that's probably going to do it for this video. But if you guys want to see me do the fastest car I own next, then make sure to leave a like.